Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you that how can you change the profile picture of your Apple ID using your iPhone. So go to the home screen and tap on the settings icon to open the settings of your iPhone. Now tap on your Apple ID. Now in Apple ID settings, tap on your profile picture. Now you will be given the option either to take a new photo or choose a photo from your existing photos. To select a new photo, tap on this camera icon. Now you can change your profile picture. You can choose any memoji or emoji, or you can also choose any image from your gallery by tapping on this icon. And if you want to remove the picture, then tap on this cross icon on the top of the profile picture and then click on done. Now your profile picture is removed. It may take some time to get refreshed. So this is how you can update or remove profile picture from your Apple ID using your iPhone. Thank you everyone.